In this video, I will teach you how to compute linear relationship for the given simple linear regression. We are given this model and we are asked to find an equivalent linear regression model for the relationship z is equal to yi all over xi and xi is equal to x plus ti. So let's find the relationship. Solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Now, if we are given this model and we are asked to find this relationship, so solution I, if z is equal to yi all over xi, we now say substituting from the original model, substituting from the original model. Where is the original model? This is the original model. And we have that y is equal to the whole of this. So what we do is that whenever we see yi, we put the whole of this model. So we have zi. This is zi to be equal to yi all over xi, which is the same thing as b naught plus b1 xi plus ei all over xi. This is how it can be compared. Now, we can also write our zi to be equal to b naught all over xi plus b1 xi all over xi plus ei all over xi. So we can write this. We can still simplify what we have here to get our model, to get the relationship between z, y, and x. So we have to delete this side of the board to do that. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So we can write our z to be equal to b naught all over xi plus b1 plus ei all over xi, which is also the same thing as we say b naught multiplied by 1 all over xi plus b1 plus ei all over xi. The same thing is our zi. Now, we can say let x estimate be equal to 1 all over xi and e estimate to be equal to ei all over xi. So let's delete this, we'll rewrite it back. These are number 2 question. It then means that our model for z can be written as b naught xi estimate plus b1 plus ei estimate. So we can write our model to be this. In fact, this is the linear relationship for what is given to us. So the next thing to do is that we can now compare it with this. We can compare it with y to be equal to mx plus c. We can compare it with this, where m is our slope, y, c is our intercept, and y can represent z. So we'll move over to this other side of the board to write it out. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Also, we can write our z to be b1 plus b naught xi bar plus e bar I. So this is our linear relationship for what was given to us between zi and xi and b naught and b1. So this is the linear relationship. The next thing to do, we have this, our intercept here becomes, our intercept is b1. Our slope is b naught. Our error term is ei, of course. Then our parameter vector, let me take some chalk, and our predictor variable is x bar estimate, which is equal to 1 all over xi. This is also equal to e I all over xi. So this becomes our linear relationship. Z I to be equal to b1 plus b naught xi bar plus ei bar. So this becomes our linear relationship between z, b1, b naught, xi. So the next thing to do is to move over to the second question. To move over to the second question, so we move over to this side of the board. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Of course, our number two, we said we have to find relationship between S plus EI. So we said from solution, from our original model, we have that yi is equal to b naught plus B1 xi plus our error term, where this is the response variable, this is our intercept, this is our slope, and this is our predictor variable. Why this is our error? Why this is our error? So what do we do? We are asked to find the relationship between xi and ti. So it then means that yi is equal to b naught plus b1. Anywhere we see xi, we put x plus t into x plus ti plus our error term. So this is it. If we open this bracket, we can write our yi to be b naught plus b1s plus b1 ci plus ei. So we move over to this other side of the board to write this out properly. We move over to this side of the board. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So we can write our yi to be equal to b naught plus b1f plus b1c1 plus our error term. So this is the linear relationship between yi and ti. Now, of course, we can write something. We can say we can arrange it properly. Let this sign be equal to b naught plus b1s, because it's always necessary you arrange this properly. And y1 to be equal to ci. Sorry, we say let this sign be equal to, sorry, b1. So we can write our yi to be equal to y naught plus y1 ci plus ei. So this is the relationship between yi and ti. Of course, this is our intercept, this is our slope. So we can compare it. Where this becomes our intercept and y1 becomes our slope. ei becomes our error, or you call it random error, or you call it vector error. So this is how we can find the relationship between parameters given for the linear statistical model, given the linear regression model. This is how we can easily find all of this. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.